Hi guys, welcome back to JT Automobile Specialist. In this episode today we have VW Golf mk5, and in this video I will show you how to change this stereo system with the Android panel. So to replace this system you need to move this cover from the top first, and then you need to have hex key, which is T20, and the two screws you'll be able to see. You need to remove them two screws from the top first. So once you remove them two screws on the top, then you need this plastic tool and you need to pull it up like this. And same, it has two hooks, one is on this corner, one's on that corner. So you need to slowly peel up from each side, and this whole part will come off. So as you can see, this just came off. It has two metal clips. This one, make sure don't lose them. So just put them here, and once this part comes off, so then you need to gently pull this on the top, and you have to remove from each side. There are hooks on the corner. So as you can see, so this is going to come off now. So once you pull this, so there's two hooks on this corner, so you also need to use your plastic tool to push it down the hooks, and then this part comes off. So after that we need to remove them two screws. One is on this corner, one is on another corner. So once them screws are off, now you need to use your multi-tool again, and as you can see, this is start coming up here, and make sure don't break it. You need to start nicely pushing out, same the other way, and here you go, this comes off, and now we have another 4 screws, and your head unit will come out straight. So now we have removed all 4 screws, and now nicely you can push this head unit out. So once we pull this out, we have a power cable, we have a radio antenna cable, plus we have all the controls cable. So we're gonna take all these out. Yes, it has a small clip underneath. And this will come up. Same another way, there's another clip. There you go. So the both clips are off now, and now it's time to remove this one. So to remove this clip, I think we need to pull this towards this way, but I need to top off first. So to remove this clip, you need to press this one first, then you need to pull this way up, and this all comes off. And here you go, your old stereo, and now I'm going to replace this with my new one. So here we have our new Android unit, which I'm going to replace with the old one, and I'm going to show you how to put the cables on. So here I have my USB cables, so I'm going to install them through here. As you can see, this top hole here, so I'm going to put through here, and they will come out from this side. So here these cables come out from the back, so I'm going to put them in here now. So as you can see, we have one with 3 pins, one with the 2 pins, 4 pins, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. So this 4 one, it will go into this 4 one here, and the 6 one will go into the 6th one. So after connecting them USB cables, now I'm going to connect this main cable with this main cable, as you can see. So they'll go like this, straight in. And these multimedia cables, they will come up on this corner one. And with this cable, this white one, that will go with your CAN bus decoder. This one in here, and this one, this white one, that will go just in the middle. So these two cables, you need to connect them together. So here you can see, that's your GPS, that's the radio, that's your USB cable, and that's the multimedia one, that's the main power cable which is connected. And now everything is set up. So now I'm gonna turn this on now. So as you can see, it just turned on, and now I'm going to plug in my USB for an experiment. Oh, how does it go? So let's plug in the USB cable. So you go, USB is connected, as you can see. And now I'm going to go into the menu, find out. Let's go into the file manager. USB drive. Okay, go back. So let's play this one off. Let's see how it goes. Here you go. Job's done. Same way, I'm gonna put this back up, and I'm not going to install the camera as I don't need it, but if you do, so this cable that will go on the far end corner, and then you need to connect your camera system on the back. So now put the screens back on. Now it's time to put everything one by one back together. So first of all, we need to put this on. Okay, so this top fish has been fitted now, so make sure whenever you fit this top one, you have to fit from the tops first and put this hook in, otherwise you won't be able to tighten up properly. So as you can see, and now it's time to put this cover back on here, the air vent one. And okay, so after putting, first I put this one, then this top bit, and then this top tray, and now I'm going to tighten up these two screws, and your job is done. Put this back on here. Here you go. As you can see, I have fully installed the Android system now, so I'm going to do all the settings and apps later on. And as you can see, there's loads of information, so I'm going to put them back in later on. So I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any question, do not hesitate to write in the comment section, and I will try my best to get back to you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.